Hello everyone. Want to showcase pricing plans in a clean, organized layout on your Elementor website? With essential add-ons, you can display multiple plans effortlessly in just a few clicks. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to configure it. Let's get started. Before we begin, please make sure your website has Elementor, Essential Add-ons, and Essential Add-ons Pro installed and activated. From the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Essential Add-ons tab and go to the Elements. Search for the Multicolumn pricing table widget, toggle it to turn on, and save the settings. You're now ready to proceed. Open your page in Elementor and select a place where you want to display pricing table. Next, search for the Multicolumn pricing table widget in the editor's side panel. Drag and drop the widget to your desired section to design an interactive pricing display. It comes with two layout options, classic and modern. Choose the one you like. Next, select your package title tag and text effect as necessary. For separate text effects, you can adjust their direction and animation speed. If you collapse or expand feature rows, you will have the option to set the number of rows, icon position, modify their icon and label, etc. Moving on to the title column, you can choose icon type and position. Here, you can add as many features to the column list as you want by tapping on the Add Feature button. For each existing and newly added feature, you can modify the title and icon. Once done, hit the Sync Features button. The browser will ask you to reload this site. Tap Reload, and your feature list will be synced instantly. Now, you can modify the pricing package details on the Pricing Packages section. Select the package and customize its name, position, price, etc. If the button is enabled, you can change its text, URL, and more. Followingly, change the other pricing package with the required updates and inputs. Once done, sync all the pricing packages and reload to apply them. Alongside the default pricing packages, you can add new ones by tapping the Add Package button. Similarly, modify its currency, positions, button text, and URLs as needed. Once done, sync the packages. If you want to suggest or recommend a specific package to the visitors, hit the Make It Featured button. For each package, you can customize the features and list. To do this, click on a feature and you will find options to update icons. Choose an icon from the library, or upload and then insert it into your feature. You can select individual colors, icon colors, adjust content in its color, spacing, etc. Similarly, update the other feature options separately as you see fit. Once you are done customizing the items in the content area, move to the Style tab. Here, you can change the background type, colors, location and more for the table. Plus, you have the options to text color, width, height, border type, icon size, typography, and more. These can be changed for featured badge, title columns, packages, features, etc. To style the Buy button, you have the flexibility to change the button size, width, text color, typography, hover, and others as necessary. Moving on to the Advanced tab, it has options to adjust margin, padding, order position and more for final adjustments. Once you are done with all the necessary changes, hit the Publish button. Now, let's check how the Multicolumn pricing table looks on your page. As you can see, it's interactive and engaging, allowing visitors to explore multiple pricing packages and help make a choice. And that's it. You've successfully added the Multicolumn pricing table to your Elementor website using Essential Add-ons. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Subscribe for more helpful videos.